Right, welcome back to another broker comparison video. Will someone knock EnviFx off the top spot after quite a few weeks running being the top broker in my opinion? Now, today we are looking at Fusion Markets. Thank you for everyone that commented Fusion Markets below the video. Once again, make sure you comment your broker of choice, which you think will be EnviFx. Now, before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, first, we're going to jump into EnviFx. I have done a full breakdown of EnviFx, so we're just going to go through the best bits, go through the homepage and break it all down for you. Okay, so as you can see, first thing we see is regulated, licensed, and secure. Now, that is a main big point for me when finding a broker, is making sure it's regulated and licensed and also obviously secure. So your money's secure and it's a licensed broker to make sure that everything's legit, really. Now, as we go down, you can see they have super tight spreads. They're saying they offer some of the most competitive spreads on the market, minimizing your risks and trade with the best conditions. Now, if you're not familiar with spreads, I've broke it down before, but I'll do it for any new viewers on this channel. Okay, so with the spreads, what it means is once you enter the market, with the spread, it means it will move your position either up or down, depending on your buy or your sell position. This means you want to find a broker that has very tight spreads because it keeps you close to your entry, close to the point where you wanted to enter the market. Now, also good with EnviFx, it covers a lot of the financial market. It's got your majors, your crosses, and your exotics in Forex, your indices, energies, cryptos, EU shares, US shares, and also metals for your gold traders. Now, as we go down, some of the massive points of EnviFx, in my opinion, and has tipped a lot of the brokers we have done, is that you can do debit, credit, and bank transfers. So that's depositing your money into the brokerage. You can do that directly from your bank or even a debit or a credit card. Not only that, but you can withdraw back to your bank as well. Now, if you prefer a more secure and a more off-the-grid way of doing it, they also offer the crypto deposits and crypto withdrawals as well. Now, the four main reasons why you should choose EnviFx, in their opinion, is market expertise. You get the EAs, the market analysis tools, and also market insights. They've got revolutionary technology, which means in one trading platform, so all on this one website. Once you've signed up, logged in, etc., you'll receive multiple opportunities to build up and gain your financial markets. Okay, so also trust. They're offering traders the safest trading environment, which we went through with the secure and registered broker, and also passive income. So if you've got a community or you're an influencer or you have a broad community of people that you want to share this platform to, they will actually reward you with an affiliate program. So you gain that extra avenue of income. So it's definitely worthwhile looking into as well. Now, one of the main things I like about EnviFx as well, it does it on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So if that's still available in your country, that's good, but don't be alarmed because they have a web trader, which is actually really good. So even if you're on the move or you're in a country where you can't use MetaTrader, you can log on to the web trader and it's nice and simple, user friendly, and so clean to use. It's honestly, I prefer MetaTrader, but I can easily do all of my trades as a Forex trader on web trader. Now, with support, they are excellent with their support as well. I've never had any issues. And if I had any issues, customer support were to answer it very quickly with EnviFx. Now we're going to look at our challenger, which is Fusion Markets. Okay, so right on the home screen, I can see low cost trading for everyone, everywhere. Okay, so they're a Forex and CFD broker with $2.25 per side commission on your trade. There's no fees to deposit and no minimum account size. So they currently have an amazing trust score with 4.6 out of total of 1,749 reviews. You can see that they've got a MetaTrader 4, C-Trader, MetaTrader 5, and also you can link to TradingView, which can be quite helpful for a lot of traders out there that just want to stick to the one platform. Now, as you can see down here, they have their spreads. They do a 2.25 per side commission. So their spreads will be quite low. So as you can see here, some of the major Forex pairs are zero spreads. But remember, you will pay a commission on the basis of having zero spread. Okay, so why are they different? What they're saying, Fusion Markets is saying they have white glove support. As a live account holder, you have your own trading specialist to help navigate the trading platform and the markets. You'll receive no fees on your deposits. So I can see here they have Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Skrill, and Nutella. So this is something you can also use your bank card with as well, which is obviously very good and is what topped EnviFx on a lot of my other videos. They've also got copy trading with Fusion Plus. They have a $0 commission US share and CFD trading, and they are regulated, which is again a major thing. You need to make sure any broker you decide to choose, obviously this is my opinion with any videos I do, but make sure the broker is regulated. If you take one thing from this video. Right, how does it work? Nice, free, simple process, quite common with a lot of brokers. Put your personal details in, verify your identity, and then you can start trading. Okay, so their funding methods, we went over that with the Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, AstroPay. PayPal's a little good one that I haven't seen in many brokers. So I know a lot of people use the PayPal for a lot of things. So what they do is they cover Forex, they cover energy, precious metals, equity indices, and stocks. And they have a range of different trading platforms. We touched on that, but you get your MetaTraders. I can see all of them there. TradingView, CTrader Mobile, and CTrader Web Trading. Okay, so what I can also see at the top is partner with us. So they do have their affiliate program as well. So obviously, if you do have that community or anything like that, you have the option to make some extra income by referring a friend or even an affiliate process if you have a big social media following. Right, now that was EnviFx versus Fusion Markets. Let me know down in the comments your opinion on which one you think won this. Now, me personally, this was very close again. Now, very, very close. Fusion do match EnviFx with a lot of things, so it was honestly very tough to pick. But in my opinion, I prefer having a little bit higher spreads than paying that commission for every trade that you put on, because sometimes you don't always count your commission price in with your trade. So you could close your account at a price that you're happy with, and then it will take the commission off depending on your trade. It could be any number depending on the length, depending on the size, everything like that. It could depend. So it's very unknown in the fact for that sense. So for me, EnviFx is the winner for today, but do me a big favor, make sure you comment below the broker you want me to do next. And also hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.